everyone. Welcome to today's video. My name is Donnie, and for this video, I am going to show you how you can create a transparency effect in PowerPoint so that you can remove background or use it in other applications. So for that, we need to insert first our image, of course. And while I'm doing this, I hope you can like and subscribe in the channel. It really helps us create more videos for you. So for now, I'm going to go to insert and go to picture, and I'm going to use this device. Take note that you can also use drag and drop procedure wherein you drag the image onto the slide. That's also possible. But now I'm just going to use the insert picture tool, and I'm going to select the file that I have ready, which is a picture of a building that I got from the internet randomly. So I now have here my image on the slide. You see that there are skies in the background. I have this designer. I'll remove this first. And I want those skies to be removed. Okay, so for that, you can click on the image, and once you click on the image, you need to go to picture format. Take note that the picture format tab contains a set of tools that are for editing or modifying a picture, and it doesn't show up if your current object is not the image. So if I click on the background, it doesn't show up. So make sure to click on the image, and from there, you will see the picture format tab. And all the way to the left part is the remove background tool. So for that, I'm going to click it, and you will notice that PowerPoint will overlay a magenta or a violet or a purple colored shadow or shade onto the image. So the idea here is that those purple shading is going to be removed from the image. And as you could see, it's not really that perfect. Some parts of my building is going to be removed. So we're going to tell PowerPoint not to remove those parts. So we're going to say mark areas to keep. Now that's going to be under the background removal tab that shows up when this is what you're doing at the moment. This tool doesn't show up if you're not doing this background removal technique. So I clicked mark areas to keep, and I'm going to create or doodle lines over the image. And you will see that that would cause PowerPoint to react and declare or correct its analysis that parts of the image should be removed. So now it doesn't have those purple or magenta overlay. So we're now safe that it's not those parts not will not be removed. So I have to do it all the way to the others. You can sort of like make it more if you want, but again, you don't have to do that. PowerPoint interprets what you're doing based on the doodle or the line that you're doing. And by the way, in some earlier versions of PowerPoint, you cannot doodle, but you can at least create a line, and it's the same effect. It's just you cannot really wiggle around the image, but just draw straight lines. So it's still the same. And here I still have the edge over here. Have to do the same for this parts here. Okay, so here we go with the edges, and if that's a little bit difficult, you can always zoom and make sure that you get the right image. I don't have a high resolution image, I just realized, but that's fine. But if you have a high resolution image, it can help make it easy so that PowerPoint will sort of like not get confused with which parts are the building. Now, moving on, we can also let's say that you accidentally highlighted or draw a line to keep certain parts of the sky. Of course, you don't want that. Or what if PowerPoint sort of like mistakes and doesn't consider those parts as the background? So there's another tool. This is the mark areas to remove tool. And this one does the opposite of what we just did of keeping the areas. This one will remove the area. So this one adds more magenta color onto the image. So you can draw on the parts that you want to remove from the image. And as you could see, PowerPoint will react to it to the point that it's not giving me the correct parts again. And that is because my image is not high resolution. So there we go. Let's say I'm happy with this. And now I could keep changes, or you could also just click anywhere outside the image, and that will also keep the changes. And you now have a shape or sorry, an image that doesn't have a background. And to test if it is really indeed transparent, I'm going to insert a shape and put it over the image, right click on the shape and send to back. And as you could see, the shape or sorry, the image is indeed transparent. Okay, I can see the shape right behind it. And that's it. I hope this video helped you somehow. If you need some help on converting this into a transparent PNG, I already have a video for that. So I'll put it as a card here in this video. You will see it hovering over the video right now. So feel free to use that if you want to export this as a transparent PNG file. But for now, that's it. I hope this video somehow helped you. And again, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe in the channel. It really helps us create more videos for you. It's inspiring when people subscribe and comment and ring the bell notification as well. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section and I'll do my best to answer those questions for you. Maybe I could even create a video for you. Give me an idea for what to create a video on. But for now, this is it, and I see you in the next one.